Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Nubia Neo. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, always start from the simplest way, so check your DND mode. Open the top menu, expand the icons, now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't see it here, just click on the pen icon and look at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, I have a Do Not Disturb. We can switch it, swipe it to the app, and now make sure that you have this feature deactivated. Sometimes you can just enable it by a misclick, forget about that, and it's obvious, I know, but sometimes it's, just be sure to check it. In the next step, hold the finger on WhatsApp and go to the app info. Of course, we have to start from the notifications, check that you have this switcher activated. After that, go to the additional settings in the app and check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's go to the mobile data and Wi-Fi, turn on the background data and unrestricted data usage. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and go to the storage. Try to clear the storage of your application and log in again to the WhatsApp, then check your notifications. In the next way, try to reset your network settings, so go to the system, choose the reset options and tap on the network settings. Tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. And at last, try to update your system, so go to the system update, if you haven't, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.